Imagine applying for a job at your local grocery store, maybe even multiple times, and never hearing back. Then you start to wonder, is it something more than just bad luck? Well, in California, a major supermarket chain is under federal investigation for allegedly refusing to hire people based on their race and national origin. Let me tell you the real story of the case against Vallarta Supermarkets. Vallarta Supermarkets is a family-owned grocery chain with around 80 locations throughout Central and Southern California. If you've lived in LA or Bakersfield, chances are you've seen one. But what you may not have known is that the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC, is now in court trying to force Vallarta to hand over hiring records. Why? Because the EEOC believes that Vallarta may have been refusing to hire or promote people who weren't Hispanic, specifically white, Black, and Asian applicants. That's a big deal. We're talking about potential violations of Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, a law that's supposed to guarantee equal opportunity regardless of your race or national origin. The EEOC says they tried to get this information voluntarily. They even issued a subpoena asking for data on applicants, hiring decisions, job descriptions, even demographic data, but Vallarta didn't turn it over. So now the EEOC is taking them to federal court to force compliance. Here's what you need to know. Employers cannot discriminate in hiring or promotion based on your race, color, or national origin. It doesn't matter if the business is large or small, family-owned or not. If you apply for a job, you are consistently overlooked despite being qualified, especially if there's a pattern based on race, you may have a case. The EEOC has the power to investigate these claims, and sometimes, as in this case, they launch their own investigation without any individual complaint if they suspect systemic discrimination. Have you applied to jobs where you felt like you were being unfairly screened out because of your race or national origin? Have you ever been told you're not a fit but couldn't help wonder if there was more going on behind the scenes? If so, you don't have to just wonder. You can take action. At the Spiggle Law Firm, we help employees understand their rights and hold employers accountable. If you face discrimination in hiring or promotion, don't just brush it off. Contact us today. You might have a case.